Manufacturing environments are complex, fast-moving, and under constant pressure to stay secure without slowing production. The challenge is not just protecting the facility. It is doing it in a way that supports operations, aligns with IT standards, and delivers real value. That is where Gotcha Security comes in. For leaders responsible for the physical plant, security cannot be reactive. You need visibility across doors, cameras, and critical areas with alerts that surface issues before they turn into incidents. For operations leaders, uptime is everything. Security solutions cannot disrupt shifts, slow badge access, or complicate workflows. For IT leaders, security must be secure. Cameras and access systems are network endpoints, and they must meet the same standards as the rest of the infrastructure. The result is a security solution that supports every part of the organization. Gotcha Security is a trusted partner for securing businesses throughout Georgia, providing comprehensive security solutions and 24/7 alarm monitoring. We protect people, assets, and operations with systems that match your goals today and scale for what comes next.